I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Those are the words of Confucius. Hey everybody, Miss Sue here with today's quote. And this quote is good for any age. Just keep that in mind, that most people, when they're learning, it helps to allow them to be hands-on in what they're learning. So if you just tell someone, it might not sink in. If you show them and allow them to physically participate in what you're trying to teach them, chances are they are going to internalize that because they physically went through the steps, they heard with their ears, and they saw with their eyes, and it will just sink in more. This is good for parents to remember and teachers and beyond.